Hi everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we shall learn about how to write a good report. Okay, first you have to understand what is report. A report is designed to lead people through the information in a structured way and also to enable them to find the information that they want quickly and easily. It is a short, sharp, concise document which is written for a particular purpose and audience. Next, we are going to see what are the uses of a report. Reports communicate information which has been compiled as a result of research and analysis of data and of issues. Reports can cover a wide range of topic but usually focus on transmitting information with a clear purpose to a specific audience. Good reports are documents that are accurate, objective and complete. Now let's understand the format of the report. First one, title of the report. Here we have to use the name of the event. Then second one, report writer's name. Here we have to write the name who is going to write a report. Then next, opening passage. Here we shall write about the event. Then fourth one, we shall use passive form or simple past sentence. Then the paragraph should be brief. Now let's see how to write a report. For example, you are the school people leader. You have been asked to write a report on the inaugural ceremony of English Literary Association of your school, which was held recently. Write a report on the same in not more than 120 words. This is the question. Now we are going to write a report for this question. First point, let's draw a rectangle box, but it is not necessary to draw a box. If we need, we shall draw. Next step, the middle of the box we shall write a title of the report. Here the title of the report means the name of the event. So we shall write Inaugural Ceremony of English Literary Association. Next, in the right corner of the title, write reported by. Here you have to mention the name of the reporter. Here you are going to write a report. So we shall write your name. For example, Kavin. Then in the bracket you shall mention the designation. So what have they mentioned in the question? Use the designation. But here they have mentioned school people leader. Write school people leader in the bracket. Then left hand corner write place, month, year. Next, let us write the body of the letter or opening paragraph. Opening paragraph divided into three parts: introduction, main content, and conclusion. Now we are going to see how to write introduction. The introductory part of the report by asking yourself just for four questions. What? The name of the event. When? Day and time of the event. Where? Venue of event. Why? The purpose of the event. Let's see how to write introduction. For example, Christ Matriculation School organized the inaugural ceremony of English Literature Association on 1st July 2020. The event was to create a better learning atmosphere in our school. Here we can get answers for that four questions. If you ask question what, the name of the event, we can get answer inaugural ceremony of English Literary Association. Next one, when? Day and time of the event on 1st July 2020. Where? Venue of the event, our school. Why? The purpose of the event, to create a better learning atmosphere in our school. When you're writing report, if you follow this structure, it becomes very easy. Suppose if they give some other topic like blood donation camp, essay competition, Independence Day celebration, how will you write? We can use this same format. For example, Maria Matriculation Higher Secondary School organized the blood donation camp on 5th July 2020. Likewise, Maria Matriculation Higher Secondary School organized an essay competition on 5th July 2020. Likewise, you can make the sentence, but the sentence should be in the simple past tense. Then second part, here you have to mention the name of the chief guest and his designation, then the details of the event. And also how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. For example, chief guest was our headmistress, Sister Mercy. The program began with prayer. Our English teacher, Mrs. Vasanthi, welcomed the gathering. Our headmistress welcomed the gathering with an inspirational speech and guidance. After her speech, she inaugurated the English Literary Association. In this example, they have given clearly the name of the chief guest and the details of the event. Who was the chief guest in that event? Here they have mentioned clearly school headmistress Sister Mercy. And how the event started, what were the highlights, that also they have given clearly. Third part conclusion, here you have to write end of the event. For example, importance of education was given by R. Ruthran of 10th standard G section. The program ended with the vote of thanks by the assistant school people leader R. Hari of 12th standard. Here I have given an example, read once or twice, understand clearly, then you have to do the exercise yourself. See you later. Bye, children.